Hi everyone, my name is Luisa Salazar. Today I'm going to talk about the sounds of English. Phonetics is the study of the sounds of the human pronunciation, their change and their formation depending on the situation of speech techniques. This helps people pronounce words correctly. Now I will show you some examples and you repeat after me, okay? The first, the silent E. If the E is at the end of the word and there is only one other vowel in the word, then the first vowel is pronounced and the E becomes silent. Example, write, bake, pin. Repeat. Thrive, bake, pint. C is usually silent in the LC combination. Example, muscle, send, sing. Repeat. Muscle, send, sing. The silent L. It is the one that follows the vowels A, O, and U. Example, talk, could, can, pen. Repeat after me. Talk, could, can, pen. The letter P doesn't sound if it is at the beginning of words with the combination PIF, PT, and PN. Example, pneumonia, psychology, sound, psychosis. Repeat after me. Pneumonia, psychology, sound, psychosis. The PH will often sound like F. Example, elephant, phantom, telephone. Right? Repeat. Elephant, phantom, telephone. Okay. Finally, two phonetics for TH. The first phoneme is this. That is, it doesn't use the voice to make sounds. Example, think, thought. 3. Think, thanks. Repeat. Think, thought, 3, think, thanks. Versus the second phoneme is the sonar because the voice is used to emit the sound. Example, this, that, this, those, there. Repeat. This, that, this, those, there. That's all. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.